Most of us, we run shifts. So the shifts run from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m., 2 p.m. to 10 p.m., and then 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. You don't have to run your shifts like this, but I do it this way for sake of ease and easy to follow. During the morning hours, if you guys are trying to crunch the numbers and trying to figure out what you would be spending on hiring staff to supervise the clients, if you run 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. and you have 4 clients, you need 2 staff. 2 p.m. to 10 p.m., this is probably your most important shift. You need 2 staff. Then you have 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. You only need 1 staff, and it doesn't matter if you have 4 clients there. Your overnight, you only need 1 staff. So your 6 a.m. to 2, I say 2 staff, but it's only should be for a brief amount of time, because most of these clients, especially if you're running an adult residential facility, they're gonna be, or should be, I recommend you have them involved in something and not just sit around the house all day. It's not good for them and it's not good for you. So typically that 6 a.m. to 2 p.m., there's a gap in it. From about 8 a.m. to 2 p.m., all the clients are typically out. So that means that you don't need any staff coverage in between those times that the clients are out at their programs. So typically what most of us do, from about that 6 a.m. to 8, you would have possibly a part-time staff come in for 2 hours until the clients get out the home.